Guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another car stands video. Today I have for you Bag RS3, okay, and Golf R, okay. So this is not a GTR, but there's probably some more coming up in this week. Just pay attention, or next week, whenever you guys see these videos, okay. So thank you guys so much for all the love support, guys, on the car channel. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Let's hit it and then let's pass it. You guys are amazing. I really do love and appreciate you guys. And let's check this out. Let's check out some Volkswagens. Oh, it's two. No, that's an Audi and a Volkswagen. So we're checking out the German engineers. God, the license plate is A5. The Golf looks standard, but the wagon right there, yeah. That's more of a hatchback than a wagon. Golf are really nice though. Golf are really nice. That's it? What? I guess it was just a short video? Jesus Christ. I was expecting the video to be like 2-3 minutes long. It was only a minute long. Okay, wow. He should have put short video. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I guess this is it. I'll see you all tomorrow. Wow. Peace.